So can you see the dash cam? There it goes. Greetings, car fanatics. Today I'm going to show you how to install a custom fit dash cam for the Kia Telluride, and this is a product from FITCAMX. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so we have this awesome FITCAMX custom dash cam for the Kia Telluride. Let's go ahead and look at what's inside. Alright, so check out this custom dash cam. This is awesome. Now when we compare it to the original Kia Telluride piece, check that out. It's going to be a custom fit. This is going to be awesome. We also have a few accessories here. Got this USB adapter here, so if you want to connect that micro USB to your computer, you can use that. Pry tool. We also have a wire harness here that's going to tap into the auto dimming rear view mirror. And it even comes with this piece here, which goes in like so. Let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright, so installing the FITCAMX dash cam is super easy. We're just going to pop off this plastic cover over here on the rear view mirror. So the first step is to take this small piece off over here. You can kind of just push it up like this. And now you have that off. Then you want to grab at the sides and lift from the bottom over here. Pop that off. And then you have some tabs up here holding it in. You want to just slide it down. And just like that, we have this off and we have access to everything we need over here. Let's go ahead and get the dash cam installed. All right, now we're going to connect this wire harness to the original rear view mirror over here. And this is going to provide constant power to your dash cam when your car is on, so you don't have to worry about any wires at all. That's my favorite part about the FITCAMX dash cam. So let's go ahead and take this and pop it off. Now with that removed, we want to find the female end of the harness and connect this, just like so. Then we want to take the other side and connect it here. We're going to save this end over here to connect up to our dash cam. Let's go ahead and it's in place. We can plug in the power like so. Now that we have it here in place, let's go ahead and hide all these new wires. And then we're just going to clip this in place. Starting with the top, let's go ahead and get that clipped in. All right, and we should just be able to snap it in place. Now let's add our cover piece. All right, and check out this dash cam. It looks amazing. You can't even tell it is not original. It fits right here and it looks completely stealth. You have your memory card slot over here, which it comes with a 64 gigabyte memory card, but you can upgrade to a 128 or even I think a 256, and you can even add a rear dash cam. But this looks so awesome. And one important thing is that it doesn't impact the functionality of the mirror at all. You have full range of your mirror. It doesn't get in the way. That is awesome how it is completely integrated. All right, let me show you how to use the dash cam. You want to start your car up, and you should see here that your dash cam automatically turns on. So we have a light flashing blue. That means our dash cam is on and recording. Now, if you want to access the footage for the dash cam in real time, you can access the FITCAMX app and then even change other settings. Let me show you how to do that. So you want to download the FITCAMX app. Then you want to connect the camera by clicking on connect, and that's going to prompt you to go to your Wi-Fi settings. In your Wi-Fi settings, you want to look for the FITCAMX dash cam. In this case, it's going to start with LHD. So we're going to click on LHD to connect, and you can see here that it is connecting. If you are prompted to enter a password, the password is 1234567 8. So going back to the FITCAMX, we can see that it is picking up the camera, and let's go ahead and click on this button to access the FITCAMX camera. So as you can see here, you can see exactly what the FITCAMX camera is looking at. You can also adjust different settings. So let's go ahead and click on camera settings. In the settings, you can adjust the resolution. You can set it all the way to 4K for better resolution. It's going to take up a little bit more memory space, but it does continuously loop, so you don't have to worry about clearing out your memory card. You can also adjust the collision sensor, which here you have different settings, low, middle, and high in terms of sensitivity. You also have other features like the Park Protect. For the Kia Telluride, it doesn't have the Park Protect feature, but if your vehicle can support this, what it will do is automatically record if it detects a collision while your car is parked. That's a cool feature, but for my car, it doesn't have this feature. Well, that's pretty much it for the camera settings. You can play around with this once you get your FITCAMX. It does give you a lot of customability. Overall, this is a great camera, and I like the app. It's simple and easy to use and is a good companion for the DASHCAM. Now let's take a look at some driving footage. This video was shot a while back on my Mercedes with the FITCAMX DASHCAM. The camera on the Mercedes is identical to the one on the Kia Telluride, so the video quality should be very similar. We have the FITCAM in the 4K mode. The FITCAM uses continuous loop recording, so if you run out of storage space, it's going to override the earlier files on the SD card. If you're going to be recording in 4K, you definitely want to go with a 256GB SD card or higher, just so you can save a lot of footage. Now let's talk about some other cool features the FITCAMX has. It has a G-Shock sensor, so if you're involved in a collision, it will automatically detect that and save that footage so it doesn't get overridden. The resolution on the FITCAMX is pretty good. If you want to read license plates, you can generally read the license plate of the vehicle in front of you once you get within an appropriate distance. Now let's take a look at how the camera performs in lower lighting situations as well as at night. So going through this parking garage, we can see that the FITCAMX does a good job at adjusting to the lower lighting. Everything looks nice and crisp. At night, the resolution is also pretty good. Of course, it's going to depend on the lighting on the street as well as how bright your vehicle's headlights are. Alright, car fanatics, so what's the verdict? For under $200, the FITCAMX custom dash cam is a really awesome, high quality product. I really love how it's so stealth. I love that I don't have to worry about any power cables, suction cups, or anything like that. It just works and it looks great. So I highly recommend this. For under $200, it is a steal. If you want to pick one up for your Kia Telluride or another vehicle, take a look at my description below or in the comments section. So thanks for watching, car fanatics. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave comments or questions below and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.